For centuries, science has explored everything from the cosmos to the genome. But what has been neglected until now is how we can explore all of this in the first place. How do we have any thoughts at all? The hot topic in science is, what exactly is consciousness? And to answer that question, there are three main camps. Many fall into the first camp, that consciousness is just an epiphenomenon, or side effect of the brain. This camp believes there is nothing special about the fact that we can think. It is just an accident of the organ that sits in our heads. But what this doesn't explain is how all of these neurons can lead to having an inner experience, which is sometimes called the hard problem of consciousness. Then there is the other extreme, who take their cue from quantum physics and the famous double-slit experiment, which says that subatomic particles behave as waves or as point particles depending on how we measure them. This camp concludes that there is something about consciousness that is fundamental to reality because our very observations can alter an experiment. Some would go so far as saying that consciousness is the ground of all being and that matter arises from mind and not the other way around. And then in between, there is another camp put forward by scientists such as Sir Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff. They say that consciousness is caused by some sort of quantum entanglement between the 0 point field and structures called microtubules in the neurons of the brain. It is not exactly clear how this leads to an inner experience, but the idea has its proponents. So which of the three camps will our guest decide to be in today? Let's go back to the studio with Manjia to find out.